Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be adding sound deadening into my Land Rover 90. I've decided to opt for the Dodo Mat rolls, which come in about 6 meter lengths, about 60 centimeters wide. I needed 3 rolls for this vehicle, and then I'm also adding some foam over this before adding the carpet interior to the vehicle. So here's a video on how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm now going to go ahead and start the process of soundproofing this Defender. You can see there's a bit of dampness on the roof, so I'm just going to get a towel and dry that all and make sure the surface is dry. I do believe this will still bond to it if it is wet, but I just want the best contact possible with it. I just want to make sure it's all perfect. Okay, so we're now going to be doing the back section of the roof, and then I'm going to go over to that quarter panel at the front passenger side. These ones need to be cut down to 120 centimeters. So yeah, overall it's cost me around £300. There is a significant difference in the sound levels already, but there are many more things I could improve on, but it just depends how much money you want to throw at it. For example, you could get a panel that fits inside the bonnet to add extra sound insulation there, and then the roof lining, that will be a great way to reduce the noise levels a bit further.